first thing you need to do at the beginning of your day is make your bed. That way you feel like you accomplished the first task of the day. That is what all of the social media motivational speakers will tell you. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I just started making my bed, but not for those reasons. Let me explain. See, for the past 20 years I've heard this: make your bed and make it be the first thing you do so you've accomplished the first task of the day. But in all reality, I wake up at 3:45 and go work out. I felt like I was crushing it at the beginning of the day, so that didn't motivate me to make my bed. And then this happened. My wife decided to hire some house cleaners, and they made our bed. That night, I went and laid down, and I'm gonna tell you, it was nice. It was nice. I laid down on this nice bed. It was clean, and I just felt great. And then it hit me. I've been doing this all wrong. See, I've been looking at it as accomplishing the first task of the day. But for me, my motivation was at the end of the day. It was how I would put an exclamation point on my day. The last thing I do is celebrate my first win. So you have to figure out what motivates you. If it's something that somebody else is motivating you, it just doesn't work. And even if you're a motivated, dedicated person, it may not align. So my goal would be for you is to figure out what motivates you around something. And once that happens, you'll start making your bed.